I'm Daniel Kelly. I'm a shareholder in the litigation department of Reinhardt Berner. Westlaw Next does help us get the right answer, get it quickly, get it to our clients in a way that they can use it in a timely fashion. It's fantastic for that.
The primary focus of my strategy would be to encourage entrepreneurism amongst partners and associates, whether it's creating a tool like Goodwin Procter's Founders Toolbox and the Founders Workbench, or creating a parent support group or diversity initiatives. The greatest growth tends to really come from organic entrepreneurism from within the firm.